Zeno was a pre-Socratic philosopher who, like all the pre-Socratic philosophers, sought to discover a universal principle and explain the world. Zeno is best known for his paradox concerning motion, which has baffled people for centuries. He finds issue with the fact that in order to get from point A to point B, there are an infinite number of points that we have to reach in order to get to the end. In order to get from A to B, we have to get halfway. And in order to get halfway, we have to get halfway to the halfway point. And in order to get halfway to the halfway point, we have to get halfway to the halfway to the halfway point. As you can see, this goes on forever, especially since we can consider the fact that 0 doesn't have half. And there's no half of any real number that equals 0, so it goes on for infinity. As you can see in this visual, to get from this point to this point, you would have to go halfway. And to get from here to here, you would have to go halfway. And to get from here to here, you would also have to go halfway. And from here to here is halfway. As you can see, this would go on forever and ever, yielding the result that you can never actually get from this point to this point, because there are an infinite number of points you would have to traverse on the way.